Start by using the drill bit adjustment tool to adjust the XL pedestal to its tallest height. Snap off the top of the pedestal and then screw the extender sleeve tightly onto the base. Add as many extender sleeves as you need to reach your desired pedestal height. Then replace the pedestal head. Snap a base slope corrector onto the bottom of the pedestal. Adjust it until the top of the pedestal is perfectly level. Add a protection pad if required. Snap the gap spacer on top of the pedestal. Use a level to adjust your first 4 pedestals before you place your first paver. While one person lays the paver, have a second person putting the pedestals in the right spot. Adjust the pedestals so that the paver is tight up against each gap spacer on the top of each pedestal. Ensure that the paver is level. Flip the level the opposite way to make sure it's level in the other direction as well, and adjust pedestals as necessary. Shims can also be added to level pavers. It's helpful to have a third person assembling and setting out pedestals ahead of those who are laying the pavers. As you lay each new paver, ensure that it is both level and plumb with all of the previous pavers that you've already laid. Once you've laid a full row, use a longer level to ensure the entire row is level. Place a screw in the intersection between each extender. Keep in mind that you cannot adjust the pedestals after you install the screws, so double check that the row of pavers is level and plumb before you begin installing the screws. Next, you'll begin installing the bracing. Simply screw it on a diagonal from the top of one pedestal down to the middle of the next, using a drill bit to make a hole in the bracing if you don't have a screw hole in the place you need. You're going to then install bracing in both directions, forming an X with the bracing. Ensure that the bracing is attached to the structure of the building at the end of every row. Simply bend the metal bracing and place a screw into the wall. Coordinate with the waterproofing company so you don't cause roof leaks. With proper installation, your tall pedestal paver system will be strong and durable for years to come. For questions or to get an estimate, please contact us at SkyDeck USA. Happy building!